and go lay down and go to bed because I've been up for 6 days because I've been doing ice.
Yeah,
I can't have you sitting in the parking lot fucking tweaking, dude. It's gonna trigger me.
yeah. You should.
I can sit here still.
No, you really shouldn't.
I can't have you here sitting like that.
You sitting there makes me want to get high on dope, bro. You should really just be a soldier and bounce.
Well, I mean, I could almost guarantee that's not your power washer. So. Nobody's gonna buy it here for cash.
You want to take a walk with me, bro?
No. Bro, I'm gonna ask you politely to leave. Well, then I'm gonna have to escort you off the property, and if you don't leave, then I'm gonna have to call the cops.
Hey, ready? Oh shit, my hat.
So, she paid hardball for like $3 1 hour. They fucking boss didn't fight.
Do something while you gotta jump up like that.
You skittish as fuck. That's why.
You're tweaking, dude. We're here to help people, but you can't get help when you're fucking tweaking like that. With a stolen power washer.
It is White Tyson. What's really going on in Daytona? Quit while you're ahead.